The Reckless Retiree here. I've rebuilt my cell to have 60 plates. There's only one problem. When I use my ohm meter to check the resistance between the plates and the housing, the bolts, I get 0.2 ohms, which is pretty much zero, and that's not good. I want the voltage to be dissipated through the plates from the one side, the plus side, to the negative side. 120 volts DC with the 60 neutral or 58 neutral plates, and I had this problem the first time when I put it together, and so I put tape on the bolts to keep them from touching the sides. But that didn't seem to do it. And I'm guessing the problem is that the edge of the plates, sometimes the gasket doesn't completely cover it, and so if they touch the other plates and then the end plates, which are aluminum, that might be part of the problem. The other thing is maybe with the pressure on it, it's actually making the center of the plates touch together. So I'm thinking about taping the edge of the plates like the old ones I have. The first 30, I taped all the edge of the plates so the edges couldn't touch. And I'm going to go back, take it apart, and tape all the new plates the same way. But also I'm going to put a little spot of 1 by 1 inch spot of gasket material in the center of each plate so that the centers won't touch. I don't know if that's what's happening or not, but I think you have to have all the plates isolated from one another so you dissipate, or the only connection is the electrolyte, and then the electrolyte will produce the HOH in turn. So I've got to take it apart and do that. You know, you watch these guys on YouTube that have these HOH cells and they make it look so easy. But I've found it to be not very easy, and so there's lots of trial and error, and of course taking this apart, putting it together again will take at least a couple hours, maybe an afternoon. So there you go. That's my next step. Stay tuned.